Girl, are you gonna go swimming today? Do you wanna go swimming? No? Rocky, you wanna go swimming today? We're gonna go on the boat? And are you gonna go swimming? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna play with the singer box?
Twinkle, twinkle, little pie, you squash my willpower like a fly. You look so innocent and so sweet, convinced my lips that we should meet. You were a relentless flirt. Oh no, we had indecent dessert. Twinkle, twinkle, how appears a stevia leaf erase my fears. It made my willpower a superhero. As for calories, it has 0. Twinkle, twinkle, trivia.
See, that's the commercial for the Truvia.
I love just what you are. Truvia.
Rockadoodle. Rockadoodle.
Have breakfast with milk and set the stage for a great day. I do have a healthy diet, but there are foods that I had
Rocky.
no idea had so much.
Rockadoodle.
My dentist said that the acid
Rockadoodle.
or fruit juice or fruit teas
No.
can potentially erode. Once that enamel is gone, it's gone. My dentist recommended that I use Pronamel to help harden that enamel so that it's not brushed away. Pronamel protects your teeth from the effects of acid erosion. I don't have to cut out the things that I love in my diet. I can have the best of both worlds with Pronamel.
I was living with this all-over pain, a deep, throbbing, persistent ache. My doctor diagnosed it as fibromyalgia, thought to be the result of overactive nerves that cause chronic, widespread pain. Lyrica is believed to calm these nerves. I learned
Rocky.
that
Rocco.
relief from
Raquel.
fibromyalgia pain. And for some
Raquel
people,
Kai.
work in as early as the first week of treatment.
Rockadoodle.
Now I can do more of the things I enjoy. Lyrica is not for everyone. Lyrica may cause serious allergic reactions or suicidal thoughts or actions. Tell your doctor right away if you have these and more worsening depression or unusual changes in mood or behavior, or any swelling or affected breathing or skin, or changes in eyesight, including blurry vision or muscle pain with fever or tired feeling. Common side effects are dizziness, sleepiness, weight gain, and swelling of hands, legs, and feet. Don't drink alcohol while taking Lyrica. Don't drive or use machinery until you know how Lyrica
Are you
affects you.
pooping, Rock?
Unless